how to season a Blackstone.
Alright, just got a Blackstone Father's Day. And I just added some oil. Just like this. Make it rain.
Hey guys, welcome. We got a special grilling edition. This is from Mark out there in Vegas. Yeah, smoking. I just got a Blackstone grill and we're gonna season it today. This is the before shot. I just put some oil on. I also just turned on the propane.
Alright, so it's cooking the oil. I don't see a change in color yet. Let's do a little pattern, huh? See what that does. So let's sit the oil everywhere to season the griddle. Alright, let's heat it up. Just gonna spread it out. Keep spreading it out. Try and keep it in the middle. Let's see, it's just cooking. Alright, once it started smoking, I just turned it off. I'm just gonna let it sit here for a while. Hopefully it turns black. Alright, we are oiled up here, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know if it looks right, but it's definitely oiled. Alright, it's smoking. I'm going to add some olive oil too. I'm just going to keep adding oil. So you see my grill is not level. I need to level it. Oh, I'll get that. Now look at that, we're starting to get some brown, guys. Alright, let's add some more oil. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it cooking. Here. Alright, here's some more. Get on there. Spread it around. Starting to see the Blackstone, guys. Look, it's working. It's working, son. Completely ruined this towel, but it's starting to. Let's keep it going. Now we're cooking with gas, guys. Turned it back on. Let it smoke. 10 minutes, I don't know. It's cooking. It's doing something, guys. Definitely making a lot of smoke for the neighborhood. I don't know, guys. I just keep making it rain oil and spreading it around. Oh, yeah. Yep. What y'all think? Better? Worse? Let me know in the comments. I guess all you gotta do is just burn a lot of oil on top of it. That's what seasoning is. Pick whatever oil you want. I used olive and vegetable oil, but I've also heard of castor oil. I don't know. Alright, that's it for today, people. Look, it looks like a diner already. Alright, we'll see you later. Thank you for watching. Have a great summer. Good luck out there. Let me know any recipes. Just got it. There's grilling Blackstone. Think.